Elon Musk, Tesla's CEO, has formally opened Tesla's fourth Gigafactory, the company's first in Europe. The accomplishment was made about 2 years after Tesla first revealed its intentions to build the factory. What should we expect from this Gigafactory, and what does it mean to Tesla? Do you want to find out? Then stay tuned. Before we go any further, I'd appreciate it if you could give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. Thanks for doing that. Let's get started. Elon Musk, Tesla's CEO, and Olaf Scholz, the Chancellor of Germany, attended the opening ceremony for Tesla's factory. The first Model Y automobiles were ceremoniously delivered to consumers by Musk. Tesla accomplished something unheard of in recent German corporate history when Giga Berlin received final permission from the local officials earlier this year. It had relied exclusively on a lengthy list of roughly 20 distinct preliminary permits to almost totally construct a plant large enough to merit the brand name Gigafactory truly. The possibility of final permission not being given had always existed, which undoubtedly would have produced turmoil and forced the corporation to dismantle everything it had done. Despite the significant danger, CEO Elon Musk just went forward. With the help of the preliminary permits, Musk's business was allowed to begin the project about 2 years ago with the logging of the nearby forested areas. After that, the main plant portions were constructed and fitted with cutting-edge machinery, including industrial robots. Only a little over 22 months have passed since Tesla began building at the site in Grünheide, close to Berlin. The factory would have been officially opened considerably earlier if it had been up to the top executive. Musk said that the legendary German red tape was to blame for any delays along the road. A decisive year for Tesla. The producer of electric vehicles had been permitted to expand first tests at its new Grünheide factory late last year. The application for a functional test with up to 2,000 more automobile bodies in addition to the 250 previously agreed upon had been granted by the Regional Environment Office for the state. Tesla was permitted to construct the vehicles for testing purposes, but not for sale. It's a different game now. The second half of 2022 is anticipated to see an increase in production. The ultimate goal is to produce 500,000 vehicles there annually. Tesla's Shanghai plant had only hitherto produced Model Y electric vehicles for the European market. However, once Berlin becomes operational, this will change. Giga Berlin is strategically significant for Musk. He expects Tesla to eventually become a true mass producer of electric automobiles thanks to a new factory in Austin, Texas. In 2023, the automaker might be able to produce 1.3 million cars worldwide. If successful, it would replace well-known brands like Volvo and Mitsubishi and complete with Volkswagen Skoda. Internally produced battery cells. Tesla asserts that Giga Berlin will be its most sophisticated and effective facility. The Grünheide factory will not only produce Model Y automobiles at record speeds, but it will also house the world's largest battery cell manufacturing plant. According to Musk, the plant will initially be able to produce up to 100 gigawatt-hours per year, with the potential to increase that to 200 gigawatt-hours in the future. However, even the initial anticipated capacity would be sufficient to create enough batteries for well over 1 million Model Y automobiles. A new generation of 80 by 60 mm Tesla cells, offering a better energy density, is anticipated by experts. This would eventually allow the automobiles to increase their current range by 16%. Jobs and revenues. Regional authorities have placed considerable hope on the factory's long-term economic impact and view Giga Berlin as the most important investment project in all of eastern Germany. Brandenburg, the state that encloses Berlin, is economically underdeveloped, with mining and agriculture in particular being the two main industries outside of tourism. But as coal mining is gradually phased out, there's a critical need for alternative employment options. According to projections from the IG Metall Union, the Tesla plant in Grünheide will eventually employ 12,000 people, up from over 2,000 at the moment. Currently, not many of them are located in Brandenburg itself. Still, if the state successfully makes the area a hub for future mobility and energy transition, more jobs will be generated. All parties have high expectations. Withdrawn requests for EU subsidies. To the great astonishment of many, Tesla withdrew its request for subsidies for its Grünheide battery factory in November, reneging on a potential payment of up to €1 billion, $1.13 billion. Was that just a kind deed? The Financial Times uncovered a clause that could have been another good explanation for Musk's action. Companies are not permitted to obtain funding for technologies they already use at other facilities under the EU's Important Project of Common European Interest program. Therefore, the battery cells cannot already be manufactured at another Tesla plant. Tesla thought that the factory would be up and running quickly enough to be the first of its sort internationally when it revealed its battery plans for Germany. However, Giga Berlin's numerous delays appear to have derailed that plan, as the US automaker is currently implementing the same technology at its factories in Texas and Shanghai. Is any real competition for Tesla in sight? Unquestionably, Tesla does not rely on government assistance to compete with the major players in the German auto sector. Given that they joined the e-mobility bandwagon relatively late, Volkswagen, BMW, and Daimler with its Mercedes brand will find it challenging to catch up to Tesla's cutting-edge e-mobility concepts and technologies. However, Tesla's German rivals are currently working diligently to electrify their product line, and they have significantly more expertise in mass-producing automobiles. However, a large population of individuals who can buy electric cars is necessary for mass production to make sense. Currently, neither Tesla nor other German automakers have anything to offer the less well-off. This is especially true if automakers were forced to sell their e-models without the current state incentives for consumers. This applies particularly to Tesla's Model Y, which currently costs more than $60,000 in Germany. What do you think of Tesla's new Gigafactory? Let us know in the comment section below. Thank you for watching today's video till the end. Make sure you subscribe to this channel, like this video, and switch on notifications so you don't miss out on any of our incredible videos. See you in the next video. Bye.